Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See this problem. Here how to find voltage for DAC, digital to analog converter. So here given as digital to analog converter designed by Opamp. So it is a binary weighted ladder 4-bit DAC. 4-bit means here we are giving the 4 digital inputs. So let's consider that this is V1 and this is V2 and this is V3 and this is V4. Here we are given that 0, 0, 1, 0 as digital input. Then how can you find the output voltage for the given problem? Now the corresponding consider this is resistance R1 and this is resistor R2 and this is R3 resistor and this is R4 resistor, and it is a feedback resistance. It is called as RF. In the digital input, the left hand side data is called as MSB, main significant, and this is LSB. Means here we are passing the MSB and here we are passing LSB. So whenever the problems are given like this, we have standard relations are there. So for the input and output. So for here, for binary weighted ladder, so what the standard relation is? Minus V0 is equal to RF by R1 into V1 plus RF by R2 into V2 plus RF by R3 into V3 plus RF by R4 into V4 plus so on. But here only we have 4 inputs. So take up to here. Now substitute all the values in the equation, will get minus V0 value. So that is minus V0 equal to, so RF is 10 kilo ohms. 10 kilo ohms upon R1 is 10 kilo ohms into, and V1 is 0 plus RF is 10 kilo ohms, R2 is 20 kilo ohms into, and V2 is also 0 volts. So here 0 volts means there is no supply, 1 means having supply, okay, plus RF is 10 kilo ohms by R3 is 40 kilo ohms into V3 is 1 plus R4 is 80 kilo ohms, RF is 10 kilo ohms into V4 is 0. So 0 and anything 0, here 0, here also 0. So only will get this value, that is minus V0 equal to, so 10 ones and 4s, that is 1 by 4, that's equal to 0.25. So minus V0 equal to 0.25. So this is the voltage for the given 4-bit DAC, and this is process of simplification for any DAC. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.